the onion burger, or some call it the Oklahoma burger. That's what we're making today, and we got some home fries going on with it. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna throw some bacon on here. Yeah, this is the Blackstone adventure ready. Get that bacon going. Alright, we got Maddie over here. She's cutting up all these taters for us. We're gonna make some taters. So these burgers are gonna have some Uncle Steve Shake original on them. Yeah. A little flipping action.
Oh, geez. Yeah.
Check that out, y'all. Yeah. Bacon, bacon, bacon. All right, now we're at the time. We're gonna flip that bacon over. We got Maddie at the helm. Yeah. Maddie's going in for the onions. That's the main ingredient, isn't it? Yeah. She wouldn't let anybody but her do the potatoes or the onions. She'll get them chopped up. All right, now's the point that we're gonna put the taters in the Blackstone air fryer. Turn them to the side, dump them in there. Don't dump them on the ground.
All of them?
I told you don't dump them on the ground. Yeah, they can double up, it doesn't matter. We got some Uncle Steve Shake, regular shake on them. Fill her up, shut it on high, turn it on. There's the on button right there. There she goes, 15 minutes at this point. You'll see what we do next. Out at this point, we're pulling the bacon off. She done. Look at that. These are gonna be so freaking awesome. Oklahoma burgers, bacon burgers, whatever you wanna call them, onion burgers. These are gonna be freaking awesome on the Blackstone Adventure Ready. And of course, we're out at Cooper State Park. Cabin number 1. Maddie's chopping up them onions, that's right. She wouldn't let anybody else do it but her. She said, I'm the onion queen. Yeah. She getting them all chopped up for the Oklahoma burgers, or the onion burgers. Yeah. Bacon's done. Yeah. Hey Maddie, it's about time for them onions. The bacon's coming off. Good job, by the way. Yeah. At this point, we got 6 burgers we're making at this point in time. So we need this to make 6 places for burgers. Alright, we're going to saute these up and we'll come back when we get the burger patties out, okay? Now we're at the point, and the patties are a little frozen, but there's no problem with that. We're out camping right now anyway. So now you're going to put the patty on top of the onions. Like that. Just like that. These are freaking awesome. Need more patties. Alright. There they are. At this point, we're going to put some Uncle Steve Shake, the original, on these. That is like my number 1 go-to for any kind of burger. You got 2 ways to make it. You put this on top of a burger, or I've told y'all millions of times, you mix it into the meat and on top and bottom. Either way, they make 2 different kinds of burgers and they're awesome. Alright, so here in a little bit, they're going to cook off. We're going to close this lid, set them for a minute, and we're going to smoosh them down here in a little bit. And right over here, woo-wee! We got the French fries going. We're going to turn them off for about 20 minutes. And we'll be back. And we're at Cooper Lake State Park with Blackstone Adventure Ready. Can you say ready?
Ready?
Yeah. It's time to smush the burgers down into the onions. Yep. We're going to put some parchment paper on there. And we're going to smush it down with J-Landa. 1217, God bless him. On to the next one. All right, we're gonna come back. You always want to smash longer than 2 seconds. All right, working on the last one. Smashing them into the onions for the onion burger. Or some people say the Oklahoma burger. 6 smashed burgers into the onions. That's where we're at. Where are we at over here? Okay, so these French fries are resting. They're turned off right now. We're doing the twice fried, and we'll be back. Now it's time to flip the burgers out here at Cooper Lake State Park. And you see how she's grabbing it and shoving it? She's not leaving stuff behind, hopefully. Oh, she went baby wimp on that
I
one.
might wait for that guy.
Yeah, so there we go. That was a good chunk. Maddie showed up. She's eating. What are you eating? A muffin. All right. There's where we're at. Uncle Steve shake regular. She put a little bit more on there. Swiss. Is that what it is? Baby Swiss?
Yeah.
You can see the onions because they were smushed in on this side and flipped over. And they look freaking awesome. And we're going to close the lid and we'll be back. Let's get them off. We're going to get these off of here and we're going to... What'd you put on the buns?
Butter.
Butter. Not mayonnaise.
Butter.
Butter. Let's get them butter buns on there.
A little too much grease there.
No, I think.
We'll get these on here and we'll be back. That's what you got to do right there. They're going to get all that seasoning up in them. Up in them. All right, get them one ready. Here we go. Yeah. The onion burger. Or some call it the Oklahoma burger. That's what we're making today. And we got some home fries going on with it. Here we go. All right, let's do a taste test. Had this a couple times. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, it's got bacon on it. I'm fixing to go back inside with them. This burger is freaking awesome. They're all chowing down on it. We made a few more than what we showed on here. It's Papa Texas. See ya.